Let's have a look at the Nikon Z Series silent photography option. Silent photography uses an electric shutter, letting you take pictures without the noise and vibration associated with a mechanical shutter. To enable silent photography, go to the Photo Shooting menu, select Silent Photography, and choose On. When silent photography is in effect, this icon will appear on the left side of the shooting display, and the screen will momentarily go dark as the shutter is released, letting you know that you've taken a picture. You can also assign silent photography to the Eye menu, letting you quickly switch between silent and normal photography without taking your eye from the viewfinder. To assign silent photography to the Eye menu, go to the Custom Settings menu and select F1, Customize Eye menu. Select an item and replace it with silent photography. Silent photography is now assigned to the Eye menu. Silent photography also eliminates vibration caused by shutter slap, making it a good choice for landscape photography.